Hi everyone, my name is Rihas Vishnuvardhan. I am studying in Vishnu Institute of Technology in the branch of ECB second year. And I am going to explain how I created a Telegram bot using different APIs and packages. For this assignment, I made a Telegram bot which searches a word and gives the meaning of the word in different parts of speech and give the example if it includes in its API documentation. Now let's see how my bot works. Now I am going to give it a word. Let's say hello, and based upon the code I given, it is giving the parts of speech of the word hello. There are two parts of speech existing, noun and verb, and giving the respective definitions. This bot can also give examples, but the documentation doesn't contain examples for the word hello. Let's try another word. Well, yeah, here we can see it give an example also. This is how much dictionary bot gives the output. Now see how it works and how I make it to work. This is the code I use it for making the Telegram bot. For making this bot, I use two packages. They are no telegram bot.api and request. I install these two packages from the website named npm packages, npm.js from this website. We can search packages name here. This is the package I used for this creating this bot. And which I get from the Telegram bot named botfather. It creates the bots and give access to the person who created it. Now let me show how I created the Telegram bot. Go to search and search botfather. It has a verified mark. Open it. Now type /new bot. Then it asking for choose a name for the bot. I am giving it a name example. It is asking to put a username. Let's put example. We know that username can be created like we create in Facebook, Instagram, etc. Here it also showing some instructions to create with the end tag of bot. Example 049 bot. Okay, the username is not used by anybody, so it directly gave the access key. This is the token which we can use in the code here. For creating the dictionary bot, I used the code which I created before. This is the token. Now let's go back to the code. And next here constant bot.new is a function which takes token as an argument. Here polling true is a concept which I am not yet done with. I am going to learn it in future. And here the bot.on is already coded in the documentation which provided by the package node telegram bot API, which starts the bot, which owns the bot and receives this message. Will take the message which we given as input to the telegram bot, and it goes through a function and take the message as word, and it stores the message in the variable word. the given input is not a word, then it sends a message that please enter a valid word. If it is a valid, then it skips this and comes to the request. Here I gave the URL which I used for the package. This is the website I used for creating the dictionary and dictionary API. This API doesn't contain any API key, it is free with the access. We can see other websites which have API key for the access of the API package, for the access of the API, but this doesn't need a key to access. This URL can be provided by the website, and the endpoint should be same as it provided, and the endpoint for my dictionary to work, the endpoint should be the word. The word means that input we have given. Here the request is the package we have installed before, which requests the URL, which means this website to give the information from it. This function consists of 3 arguments, which goes through error, res means response, and body of the documentation. If it doesn't produce error, and response status code means after we searching something, it gives different if it gives the output, it means success, which is given by a code 200. If it produces error, it gives a different number other than 200, like 429, etc. Then the code will not run. Directly it goes to the end and error fetching the word, and gives error fetching the word details. If it is not an error and the status code is equal to 100, then it goes through the code. Here I given response to body. Here JSON.parse converts the body, which means documentation, into the object format. JSON means JavaScript object notation, which converts any of the information in the form of objects. I given the response here. Okay, let's see the documentation. This is the documentation. I searched here and goes to the meaning of 0. Primary meaning of 0 means it's the accessing of array. Meaning of 0 means goes for the parts of speech containing noun, and access the parts of speech as shown in the figure, which access the parts of speech of the meaning. And this is for accessing the definition, which is provided below the in the meaning. This and next, this is for accessing the another parts of speech which is existing for the same word. Here it is also containing the parts of speech of verb. So meaning of 1 will goes for the second part of the array, second index of the array, which is verb here. And it again prints the parts of speech by accessing meaning of 2 means meaning of 1, the indexing 1, and goes for and search for the parts of speech, which here is verb. And this is for accessing the definition of the second parts of speech, verb. If example includes, this is for printing the example. And bot.send message help to send the whatever the condition which is satisfied in the if conditions we have written, it will send through this message. If the word the bot is unable to find the word, then it's go to the else statement and sends the message as sorry, I couldn't find any information from that word. If it gives an error, then it comes directly here and tells and sends the message, yes, error fetching word details, please try again later. This is how I created a Telegram bot which gives the meaning, definitions, and parts of speech of the word. This is the API website I use it for creating the bot. That's all. Thank you for this opportunity. Have a nice day.